Hi, this is Audrey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add terms from your source document as you translate to your personal terminology. As you can see here, our terminology bank is empty, so we need to add some terms for Spanish to English, which is great because that's what we're working on right now in our translation project. So here we have the word respuesta. So if we select that word, come up to that little plus mark right there that says add highlighted source term to personal terminology, and we click on it, a dialog box will pop up that will kind of guide us through the process of adding a term to our personal term base. So respuesta generally is translated into the word response. We don't really need to add an extended target for now, since we just kind of want to create a few different terms. But if you wanted to, you could either explain a little bit more about what that term means here in your notes, or if there's a longer way to say response or another way to say it, then you could add it to extended target. Since we're creating this term as a part of our project Linda's Speech, we're going to leave all of these settings the same. And our target locale has already been selected as well. It says United States. Response is a noun, and it's in its full form. It's not abbreviated or anything. And once we've selected all of these buttons, make sure that you have Add to Personal Terminology checked so that it'll add it to your terminology base. And then you click Add. It'll tell you that the term has been added. You can either continue to add other terms by selecting, for example, conference, conferencia. You can do the same thing we just did with respuesta. And then to make sure that these terms are being saved to your personal terminology database, you can come up to Terminology and click Manage Terminology. If you work with a few different languages, you want to make sure that your source language and target language match the source and target language of the terms you're looking for. Once they do, you can click Go, and the ones that you have saved will pop up. And as you can see, we saved these two words successfully. It's really advantageous to do this as you translate, just so that, especially if you're working on other documents in the future that are of the same genre, it'll make it faster for you to translate. And that's how to add terminology as you translate.